Getting started in 3D printing can feel overwhelming at first, but the right beginner-friendly machine makes the whole experience far more inviting. These printers may not be the flashiest tools on your desk, and they won't replace the advanced gear professionals use every day, but they offer a surprisingly easy path into a hobby that keeps growing. In this video, we're covering the top 6 beginner 3D printers of 2026 and the key features to help you choose the best fit for your needs. Number 6. Creality K1C. The Creality K1C is a strong starting point for beginners who want a printer that feels fast, capable, and ready for long-term growth. Its CoreXY motion system gives it a noticeable boost in speed and stability compared to basic entry printers, and the enclosed frame helps maintain consistent temperatures while keeping prints cleaner and more reliable. With a build volume of 220x 220x 250mm, it offers enough space for small models, functional parts, and early design experiments without feeling limiting. The printer's 600mm per second maximum speed won't be necessary for your very first prints, but it does give you room to explore quicker projects once you're more confident. The 300-degree hot end expands your material options, allowing you to work with everyday PLA as well as PETG, ABS, and even carbon fiber enhanced filaments. It's slightly more advanced than the simplest beginner models, but the extra features help new users grow into the hobby. For someone who wants a fast, modern printer with space to learn and expand, the K1C is a solid place to begin. Number 5. Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. The Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra is a great option for beginners who want to explore resin printing without feeling intimidated by the process. Resin printers are known for their incredible detail, and this model brings that precision to a size and price that work well for newcomers. Its compact build volume, around 153x78x 165mm, makes it perfect for miniatures, small collectibles, and intricate models where accuracy matters more than sheer size. What sets the Mars 5 Ultra apart is its user-friendly design. Features like one-click self-check, auto-leveling, and improved tilt-release technology help take the guesswork out of setup and reduce failed prints. The 9K monochrome screen produces sharp details with an 18-micron XY resolution, giving beginners a chance to see just how crisp resin prints can look right out of the machine. There's a bit of cleanup involved with resin printing, and good ventilation is recommended, but the trade-off is the level of detail you simply can't get from filament printers at this size. For beginners interested in highly detailed modeling or tabletop figures, the Mars 5 Ultra delivers impressive results in a small, approachable package. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo appeals to beginners who want a printer that can grow with them, especially if they're excited about printing in multiple colors or experimenting with different materials. Right out of the box, the build volume of 250x 250x 260mm gives you plenty of space to create everything from practical parts to decorative models, and the printer's compact footprint makes it manageable for smaller workspaces. The combo setup adds even more value by including the components needed for multi-material or multicolor printing, giving beginners a head start on projects that usually require upgrades. Automatic leveling takes the stress out of calibration, and the machine's faster print speeds, reaching up to 600mm per second, help reduce wait times once you've got the basics down. The user interface keeps things approachable, with preset profiles and clear menus that guide you through each step. Because the combo system introduces a bit more complexity, it may take a moment to understand all the options, but the payoff is worth it. For beginners who want creative flexibility and room to develop new skills, the Kobra 3 Combo is a strong, forward-thinking choice. Number 3. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is the kind of printer that helps beginners settle into 3D printing without feeling overwhelmed, thanks to its approachable design and steady performance. Its 220x 220x 220mm build volume gives you enough room to work on educational models, household projects, or hobby prints without the machine taking up too much space on your desk. The enclosed frame helps maintain consistent temperatures, and the CoreXY motion system provides a smooth, fast printing experience that feels remarkably stable for a beginner-focused machine. One of the highlights is the ease of setup. The auto-leveling system takes care of calibration with minimal input, and the quick-release nozzle makes routine maintenance far simpler than on many entry-level printers. Print speeds can reach up to 300mm per second, giving you shorter wait times once you're comfortable exploring faster presets. The touchscreen interface keeps navigation clear, and the included slicing software is beginner-friendly, offering presets that remove most of the early guesswork. While the Adventurer 5M doesn't target advanced materials or extreme temperatures, the balance it offers is ideal for anyone who wants a machine that simply works. For beginners seeking straightforward operation and dependable day-to-day performance, this printer delivers a smooth introduction to the hobby. Number 2. Sovol SV08. The Sovol SV08 is a great option for beginners who want more room to create without stepping into a professional price range. Its large 350x 350x 345mm build volume gives you space to explore bigger models right from the start, whether that means cosplay pieces, organizers, or multi-part projects that usually don't fit on small beginner printers. Even with its size, the printer feels surprisingly approachable thanks to features designed to simplify the early learning curve. The CoreXY motion system offers fast, smooth movements, and the machine can reach impressive speeds without feeling unstable. Auto-leveling and a guided setup menu help you get past calibration quickly so you can focus more on printing than adjusting hardware. Sovol also includes a built-in camera, which is helpful for monitoring prints from another room and reassuring for anyone nervous about leaving a print unattended. The direct drive extruder gives you better control over flexible filaments once you're ready to experiment, and the linear rails add consistency to long prints. Because of the larger footprint and extended feature set, it does take a bit more room and attention than ultra-simple beginner printers. But if you're a new user who wants plenty of growing space, the SV08 offers a powerful, budget-friendly path into bigger projects. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1 Combo. The Bambu Lab A1 Combo stands out immediately because it offers a level of simplicity and refinement that beginners usually don't have access to. Its 256x 256x 256mm build volume hits a sweet spot where you can tackle everything from small figurines to functional household parts without feeling restricted. Paired with the AMS light system, this setup lets you print in multiple colors or materials right from the start, giving beginners creative freedom that typically requires upgrades or add-ons. What makes the A1 Combo especially welcoming is how much the printer handles automatically. Full auto calibration takes care of leveling, flow setup, and basic tuning so you can begin printing with very low manual adjustment. The active flow compensation helps keep prints smooth and consistent, even on more detailed models, and the quick swap nozzle is helpful for newcomers who want easy maintenance without worrying about complicated disassembly. The interface is clean and intuitive, and the printer integrates smoothly with Bambu's ecosystem for slicing and monitoring. While it carries a higher price tag than the simplest beginner printers, the convenience and reliability justify the jump. For anyone starting fresh and wanting the smoothest path into multi-material printing, the A1 Combo is the top beginner option available. That wraps up our list of the 6 best beginner 3D printers of 2026. We hope this guide helped you narrow down which model fits your space, your projects, and the kind of experience you want as you start printing. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments which printer you're choosing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos.